So today we're doing the impossible. Slip inside in the U-Haul truck. Kids, don't do this at home.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
Better! Fucking ticket broke my... Giselle! We're good! Keep going!
So today we're doing the impossible. They said it could never be done before, even though it's been done multiple times. Slip inside in the U-Haul truck. We got Lesme. We got, what's he called? Chrissy Woo. And we got gas station 7-Eleven Omar. We're going crazy today. We're doing dumb shit. Probably the most dumbest shit that I've done. Let's go. Oh, hold on, I need to change this. Hold on, I'll be back. All right, guys, found more zip ties. Just some safety precautions. All right, found more zip ties, Chris. Yo, let me get a helmet, bro. Nah, you good, bro. Squirt it inside at least if you're gonna squirt. Huh? What? That sounds crazy. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Wash it off. Hold up. Cabrón! Hey! This is showering already, bro. Yo, hold on. I can't get it, bro. Why are you showering, bro? Showering in the U-Haul, bro. Hold on! Yo! Hey, hold on, okay. I still with the shit, bro. I can't get out! Yeah, my friend. That's enough, no more. Hey, you grabbing the soap? We're gonna die. Yo, we're gonna die, bro, I swear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, don't pee in here. What the fuck? Why would you pee in here? Yo, why would you even ask that, bro? I don't want to go outside. You know, we all soaked up out here. What the fuck, bro? Hey! Not me, bro. Hey. Sorry. All right, make sure you're all lathered up.
He ain't lathered
No.
up.
For the content, right? There you go. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Bro, ¿qué te pasa a ti, bro? Can you get some? Oh shit. Oh, hey. Hands to yourself, buddy. Get my bag. Off the merchandise. Get my bag. Can I throw some at the camera? No.
So, I believe and I heard that this is 20 minutes in hell. Wish us luck.
Yeah, what he said. Kids, don't do this at home. We're grown-ass men doing this. Grown-ass man worried about this shit.
No, how the fuck are we gonna breathe, bro?
Bro, we're fine.
I don't think we can breathe.
Let's go. Bro, Lesme, don't start fucking gaslighting him, bro. He's gonna start tripping the fuck out.
Hey, just think about being deported.
What?
No, think about being deported.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck? Hey, go faster, please!
No. Oh, shit.
Hey, we gotta get up, guys. We gotta sit down.
Oh, I told you.
Yo, we gotta get up, guys. Get up, let's go, get up.
I'm holding on.
What?
Oh, shit.
Get up. Oh, man. He's gonna drop the door.
Yo, what? Giselle, stop!
Unfortunately, Omar went again. As you can tell, he was trying to jump. Can we please get a Omar in the comments below? Since you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Now back to the fun.
Oh my god!
Early. Giselle! We're good. Keep going. Faster. Fucking ticket broke my... No, you did. Yes!
I swear we died.
Turn the camera. Oh my god! How you doing?
We got fucked. Damn.
Get me the fuck out of here.
I started speaking Mandarin. Oh my god. This is definitely gonna be a bruise. Holy shit.
Sucking too much dick.
Alright, what the fuck?
Leg day tomorrow? First one?
Fuck no.
Let me see.
He said leg day tomorrow?
Let me see.
Yeah. Oh no, not tomorrow. It's Monday.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what the fuck?
Oh, do it again.
I'm not showing my ass again.
Oh. Hey.
If you made it this far, I wanna tell you something. I love you.